What do you see, Gray?
Lots of green stuff. Lots of green stuff.
I wonder if Santa came.
Wow.
Did Santa come and bring presents?
A bus down here. A bus down.
This way, Gray. Look under the tree. Whoa, Grayson!
And a bus.
Whoa! Is that for Grayson and Emmett?
I'm going to close it. There you go.
There we go.
Wow.
Do you like that?
Watch this.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm doing these.
You're doing those?
I want to do more.
We'll fix them up, okay?
Sure.
Are those presents?
There's Snoopy.
Is that your stocking? Santa brought Snoopy.
Some cars in there. Wow. You want to get Snoopy out.
Squeeze Snoopy. Squeeze Snoopy's stomach.
Woo! Emmett's grabbing the camera. Emmy, what about you? Yeah. Let's see what else.
Oh, yeah.
Bus. A bus. A bus.
Wow. Let's put Snoopy over there, too.
And look at this one.
Ooh.
Whoa, Santa brought you a car?
Special car.
A special car. What else is in there?
A book.
A book is in there?
And some cars.
Another one?
Oh, nice.
Santa's a nice guy.
Oh.
That's for drawing. We'll open that later. A toothbrush?
Thomas the Train toothbrush?
Toothpaste?
Oh, Grayson's gonna be a big boy. Grayson,
Oh,
let me open that one. Let me show you this.
it's a harmonica.
You ready?
Can get this
Okay.
out?
Daddy, can you help him?
Yeah.
What is that? Shake it. What does it sound like? Those are M&Ms.
Grayson, can you blow on this? Nope, right. Here. Go.
Watch Daddy.
Daddy, do
That's music.
Look, Grayson blow on it.
Daddy, do it.
Right here.
You'll have to learn how to play that, won't you?
I did all the cars.